Achoo!
Gail, this isn't funny! I'm out of control!
Me too!
Mine's name is Greg Lisa, the androgynous snowman. Kishi's from Thailand.
Mine is a self-portrait of me in the future when I own a falcon who holds my jawbreaker for me.
I win! Hey, where's the jawbreaker?
Ow! Ow! Up the tunnel, little baby!
I tried that already, didn't work.
Oh, we could make him eat.
Oh, goody. Are those the exact noodles I didn't finish 3 months ago?
No, they are the noodles somebody didn't finish yesterday, so there!
Oh, yeah? Well, eat this. Come on! Well, if you won't eat our food, then choke on your reviews! Huh? Does this taste like enchilada ass? Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it!